Good morning, dear students. Dears, this is second session of our fifth lesson. The heading of the lesson is Good Citizenship. Children, last class we have seen about our constitution and fundamental rights, isn't it? Along with this session, we are going to see our fundamental duties and directive principles. Okay? Students, as we all know, the fundamental duties is part 4A of the Constitution of India. Children, do you know the fundamental rights and fundamental duties are like two sides of the same coin. One loses its meaning without the other. So, our constitution lists certain fundamental duties to the citizens. Before we demand our rights, we must perform our duties. That's why we have to know our duties. So, now I am going to tell some of the duties of a citizen are. First one, respect the ideals given in the Constitution. In this, we should respect and obey our laws. Next one, respect the national flag and the national anthem. Children, if national anthem was sung, we have to stand and pay our respect to the national anthem, and we should salute our national flag. Simply saying, stand in attention when the national anthem is played. Next one, cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national leaders. Yes, children, we should follow and respect the noble ideals given by our national leaders. Not only that, we must respect the national leaders because they sacrificed their lives to safeguard our nation. Clear? Next one, stay united. The word unity means live together. That is, the people in the society have to be live together as a whole. Next one, defend the country whenever necessary. In this, we should support our country always. Next one, value and preserve the rich heritage of our culture. Yes, children, our culture heritage is an expression of the ways of living developed by a community and pass on from one generation to another generation. Next one, protect and improve the natural environment and natural resources. Children, our natural resources are very important for every human being to live, to survive. So, we have to protect our natural environment and natural resources. It's our duty. Next one, protect public property. Yes, children, we have to take care of all the property owned by the government. The property owned by the government is called public property. Example, hospitals, bus stand, railway station, etc. Children, develop patriotism. It means love and respect towards our country. Children, these are all some of the duties every single person should have. I hope you have understood what I taught now. Let us move to our next topic, directive principles. The directive principles are the guidelines given to the central and state governments while framing laws. Some important guidelines are: first one, providing proper living condition for all citizens. Second one, the rich do not exploit the poor. Third one, free and compulsory education for children up to the age of 14. Then, improve the condition of economically backward people. So, these are the directive principles. Children, I hope you have understood completely and clearly what I taught now. Today's our portion is over. The next session we will go to see characteristic of a good citizen and good values. Study well, children. Thank you. Bye.